Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you how I grew so fast on YouTube. I got 64 subscribers in 28 days. Super fast, I know, super fast. Today, I'm gonna walk you through the process of how I did it so that you can grow on YouTube fast. I'm gonna try and walk you through the tips and tricks that I used that hopefully will not really help you that much, but will give you maybe some idea of how to kind of navigate the YouTube path and beat the YouTube algorithm. And remember guys, if you like my videos, like, comment, subscribe. Any order, doesn't matter. Liking the videos really helps the YouTube algorithm discover my content. I spent hours brainstorming what game to play on my Twitch stream, such that I could take those stream highlights over to YouTube and create very unique niche content. And I got an idea to play a very unsaturated game that not many content creators were tapping into, and that game was PUBG. I encourage you guys to think hard about your content. Are there any other content creators out there that do similar content? Can you take it and twist it and form it, and as Ludwig says, yonk and twist, whatever the hell that means, but yes, something like that. Take it out and like twist it like that, and then come out with your own spin on things, you know what I mean? So good luck finding your niche. It's trial and error. It doesn't always work day one. Sometimes people go viral and that's their niche. Sometimes they go viral, but they don't want that to be their niche. So I mean, you know what I mean? It's pretty complicated, but just trying to figure out what you like to do, what you want to do, and try to form that into a unique niche. And at the end of the day, good luck beating the YouTube algorithm. Number two, guys. Number two is you don't need fancy hardware. You don't need fancy hardware. So you can film on your iPhone. If you're a starting off YouTuber, you can definitely use your iPhone, your Android. Don't buy another camera. But I mean, this one's a like $700 camera right there. Looks good, right? But yeah, anyway, the point is don't spend your money. Don't waste your money. Start off with an iPhone or an Android or your phone, right? Your phone. Start off with your iPhone. Start off with the iPhone, unless you want quality like this. Oh, no, sorry. So just use your phone. And then as you grow as a YouTuber, like I did in 28 days, I went straight from something to something plus 64 in 28 days, guys. Super fast, super duper fast. So when you get there, when you start to grow on YouTube, then you can start upgrading your camera, upgrading your gear once the cash comes in, if you know what I mean. Number three, guys, number three, very important. Quantity is king, guys. Quantity is king. Forget quality, dude. Throw quality out the window. Again, YouTube is a trial and error. So what you need to do is upload tons of videos. Upload 24 hours a day, every single hour. Because the more you upload, the more the YouTube algorithm understands your content, figures out the data points for your content, figures out the engagements, who likes your content, who to show your content to. So quit your job, be a bum, and pump out those videos. I don't recommend quitting your job, of course. It doesn't work like that. But I did. Number four, guys, number four is timing. Timing is critical. If you see some kind of game coming out or some kind of event happening, jump on that wave, surf it, like be the first to produce a video about that topic. So one example is, when I was a young YouTuber, I noticed something interesting happening. Lots of Apex Legend players were getting banned. And so I made a video about Apex Legends banning me and how I got myself unbanned. And lo and behold, my video went viral. 5,000 plus views, guys. 5,000 plus views. In about like 2 months, I think. About 2 months, yeah. About 2 months, something like that. So as you can see, like super fast growth, guys, yeah.
Okay, guys, number five, very important, okay? Now, when you're uploading your video, what you want to do is you want to focus on the title, the description, and the hashtags here, and the tags. Very important, guys. This is how YouTube finds your video. It finds your video through tags, description, the keywords, right? Keywords in the description, title, tags, and hashtags. Now, overuse this, guys. Overuse this. If it says description, use the max 5,000 words. Write everything in there. If your video's about dogs, write cats. So YouTube kind of understands that it's about animals in general, so it will know that maybe it's cats and dogs. It's a video about cats and dogs. More exposure, guys, more exposure. YouTube will find your video and it'll expose it to more audience that are interested in cats and dogs and not just dogs. Now, write all sorts of keywords. Like if your video's about dogs, then write zoo. Great keyword there. Great keyword. Of course, tags, abuse them, guys. Abuse them. If your game is about, if your video is about Apex Legends, for example, write PUBG, write Valorant. All the hot trending games. I'll help you kind of get exposure for your videos. That works. That works. And that's how, partially, that's how I grew from something to something plus 64 subscribers in 28 days. Super duper fast. Super duper fast. Last but not least, number 6, guys. Number 6, thumbnails. Your thumbnails have to be excessive. When I see them, they have to attract me. So one method I do is take a picture of yourself making a stupid, silly face like this. And then what do? You blow it up. Blow it up. You blow it up and people are like, huh, this guy's making a stupid, silly face. Ding, ding, ding. So make a stupid, silly face, take a picture, blow it up, and that will get you views, guys. Put a bunch of text on the side, make it look cool, nice colors. Make sure the font is like nicely colored and shit like that. And then, you know what? It's gonna work. It's gonna work. So don't ignore the thumbnails, guys. Thumbnails are super important. And this is a method that has worked for me. Obviously, as a successful YouTuber, gaining 64 subscribers in 28 days, this was the process that I followed. And of course, I used Photoshop for these beautiful, weird-ass face expressions plus text, thumbnails. And Photoshop is not free, so you gotta spend a bit of that money, or you could use a free alternative. God knows what they are, and God knows if they're as good as Photoshop, but give it a try, guys. Give it a try.